Dear children, today I am going to teach lesson 5 in history, colonialism and tribal societies. First read important terms and you also learn it. Adivasi, the Aborigines, the natives are original inhabitants of a place. Aborigines को बोलते ना, Aborigines. The natives are original inhabitants of place. जो मूल रूप में जहाँ के निवासी हैं, वहाँ रह रहे हों, जंगलों में रहने वाले जो मूलभूत स्थान है उनका, वो जो वहाँ रह रहे हैं, ऐसे लोगों को आदिवासी कहा जाता है। जो मूल रूप से जिस स्थान में रह रहे हैं और वो वहाँ के रहने वाले हैं, अर्थात आदिवासी जो पूर्व के लोग थे, पूर्व अपनी सभ्यता के अनुसार, पूर्व सभ्यता के अनुसार ही रह रहे हैं जंगलों में, उनका कोई मॉडर्न स्कोप नहीं है, ऐसे लोग आदिवासी कहलाते हैं। हैबिटेट, ड्वेलिंग प्लेस, निवास, हैबिटेट बोलते हैं। ट्राइबल सोसाइटी एंड इकोनॉमीज। India is one of the most diverse countries in the world. The country showcases a very high degree of social and ethnic diversity. The population of the Indians subsumes within it is multitude of caste and tribal groups representing different stages in the social evolution of humankind. According to census of 2011, 10.43 crore people, 8.6% of the total population of the country of India belonging to scheduled caste tribe. On the basis of numerical strength of tribal population, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Jharkhand were ranked in descending order. However, as percentage of tribal population of total population, Lakshadweep, Iceland 94.8%, Mizoram 94%, Nagaland 86.5%, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Manipur rank in descending order, mainly nearby one-third of the tribal population of the country concentrated in the 15 districts of Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan state. The largest tribal group are in the Gonds, 7.4 million, followed by Bhils, Santhal, Mijos, etc. What is a tribe? ये कौन है ट्राइब वाले, क्या है? The word tribe generally refers to a state of tribalism which is ethnic as well as political. A tribe is also known as जनजाति और आदिवासी. इन्हें जनजाति भी कहा जाता है, आदिवासी. On the Wetline opinions, a tribe is a self-contained unit. It constitutes a society in itself. The Term tribe is usually applied to the aboriginal population inhabited in most inaccessible hilly and mountain tracts of India. ये ज़्यादा लोग कहाँ रह पाए जाते हैं? ज़्यादातर माउंटेन ट्रैक्स और जंगलों में पाए जाते हैं. A tribal group speak a definite language, belong to a distinct racial group, follows a tribal religion, and perform various rituals. The tribal have remained in isolation for ages. However, in the last few decades, these indigenous people have greatly suffered from different development projects. They have been displaced from their traditional land and way of life and have been forced to adopt a new lifestyle. The tribals live in natural surroundings. Their inhabitants consist of a few huts which have generally stone paved or plastered floors, mud walls, and thatched roof. They subsist on the local sources. They practice a variety of economic activities like hunting, food gathering, fishing, animal husbandry, and farming. Change within the tribal economic and society in the 19th century. Each tribal groups occupy a definite territory and practices a distinct mode of economy. Some, like the Gonds, were able to form their independent states during the medieval period, as do the tribes of the northeast in the present day. The Gonds of Madhya Pradesh retained their traditional Gond territory and ruled over the independent Gondwana state from the 14th to the 18th century until they were subjugated by the Marathas. They practiced hunting, fishing, and food gathering, and later switching over the shifting cultivation. The hills were nomadic by nature, but now they have taken to sedentary life of settled cultivators. The Santals have continued to be sedentary cultivation, while many of them switched over the casual workers in the plantation, mines, and industry. Such a change in economic of tribal were brought about by interaction between the tribal and non-tribal. Though the Indian tribes learned the art of agriculture quite early in history, tribal agriculture remained mostly subsistence in character. The British Revenue Administration in the 19th century found the communication mode of land ownership is still intact in many tribal areas. However, the practice did not continue for long. Gradually, lands were transferred to non-tribal regions clandestinely. The tribal people were alienated from their land. The developmental activities such as laying of roads, rail tracks, mining stopped. In the hilly and forest areas, depleted the tribal resources, bringing uncertainty, misery, and poverty to them. It had an adverse impact on their society. Such developments in the Chota Nagpur region, in particular, resulted in structural change in the tribal economies in the several ways not satisfactorily rehabilitated The influx of the non-tribal people led to a acute demographic change in the tribal hamlets. Eviction of tribals from their traditional land caused occupational change. The marginalization of tribals made their living condition worse. Now the tribal solution in the northeastern region next day. Thanks.